Namaste. Subject Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Entrance Exam Section 2 Mathematics. 250 self-study problems on mathematics. So problem number 29. 185 into 25 into 16 whole divided by 37 into 500. Option A 0.04, option B 0.40, option C 4.00 means 4th. Option D 40.00 is 40th. So 185 into 25 into 16 divided by 37 into 500. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 25 20s 500 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದು 4 5s ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಇದು 37 5s 37 5s 185 4 5s 20 37 1s 37 next 4 1s 4 4s 16. So option C is the correct answer. 4 is the correct answer. Okay, thank you so much.